A very good afternoon, sir. Today we're gathered here to have a progress review on the topic that we were given for our internship, job and service pitch India. So, sir, we were unfortunately our topic changed like 7 days ago. So we were asked to create a forum, a portal, because of which people can communicate, and it's just not about a 9 to 5 job. Anything like creating a pool service, a machine service, or some in like a service so that people can connect and people can know how employment can be done. That's like something that's not conventional, something unconventional, so that people can get together and ask for help, so something like that. So for that we created a web portal. So I will present the screen to you, sir. um, Sir, can you see the screen?
Not yet. Now, yes, it will be coming. Yeah, it is coming. Okay.
Yes, sir. So we have created a portal where we have, this is the page. We've explained what this portal does and what services it provides. So when you I've actually logged in, but when you first open the website, it gives you the page of login that is
All right.
a
I
sign
presume
for a
those
login
kind
page.
of the things would be there. You can say
Yes, yes, this
you
is
can sign up
pretty,
and then you can log in also. Okay.
yes, sir, that's pretty basic stuff.
Okay.
Then we have basic some quotations and some blogs and some articles on the front main homepage. Then we have some videos that were uploaded by the channel, the Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram channel that you asked us to upload. But then we have a want any help. Then we have the geofencing, the map feature, which if suppose there's an XYZ startup that wants to recruit people, so the person from that company, the recruiter can put its location there so people can find that company. Then we have the basic subscribe form. Scrolling up, we have a resume builder app, which when we press, goes directly to a resume building application where you can easily create your resume. Other than that, we have more options which has the companies and members. So in the companies tab,
Should we have a separate mono for crime-free India or crime-free Bharat? I think this task would also be taken. Let's say crime-free Bharat and say job-rich India and all those things. Should we have it's a logo mono? So one mono would be of the crime-free Bharat and
Okay.
another mono could be of job-rich India.
Okay.
So I think this task cannot also be taken up.
Okay.
Designing a logo for
Okay.
crime-free Bharat and designing a logo for job-rich India.
Okay, sir.
And similarly, this request may be communicated to the other people also, those who are on devising portal. They should have the similarly a logo for their portal as well. So,
Okay.
crime-free Bharat logo will be common everywhere, and this mono will come over there, and mono of the Madhya Pradesh police will go off from here, right?
Okay.
Because the moment you will say Madhya Pradesh police, there will be a resentment from the other people. That why we should toe your lines, right?
Okay, right.
So from very beginning we have to talk of India. We cannot afford to talk of a state. Though
Right.
Madhya Pradesh being our state, we would be
Starting from.
say pilot project will be from Madhya Pradesh, but our focus should be all the time whole country.
Absolutely, sir. So then we have the basic forum where the actual action takes place, where we have the general discussion, tips and tricks, introduce yourself and ask anything. So this is where the people will be approached, and we'll have the employment rate increasing. And one last feature that we have is a helpline. So here we just I
Mm,
logged in and I did this.
uh,
So
do,
we are
do, do you feel that it would be a better option that we can show the different areas on the top of the website itself, so
so areas as in
they can enter into that area, and then they can put their resume over there. So it
okay.
will
So
save us.
area
It will save us from botheration. So we will
okay
know who is interested in which area.
okay
Otherwise, the segregation would be again an issue and things like that. So now, what are the areas we can think of? One person may be interested.
so management, technology related stuff, then farming, because as we are our aim is to approach each and every part of the country. Then we have teaching, we have lots of carpentry, machinery. Like I think it would be good if we take the whole broad spectrum that's available for us instead of focusing on the main cliche themes.
Okay. So what I feel, first of all, there will be different level of joining, right?
Okay.
And obviously, the student who are working with us, they would be having
Mhm.
the first right to
Okay.
become the part of startup, right? Now,
Mhm.
for that startup, we are, and in each area, what are the startups are available, and then startup
Okay.
wise, जो है, I mean that now the module will be working to figure out what will be the structure of that startup, and accordingly to implement that startup, what kind of or how many manpower would be required to that happen, right?
Mhm.
Now, whosoever will be coming, they will come with commercial mindset. Here we need a greater जो है ना kind of reorientation, right?
Okay.
So if you are say you are talking of the honors club, right? And for the
Hmm.
honors club, there is one maintaining the vehicle, right? Now for
Mhm.
maintaining the vehicle, you will be requiring a number of the people, right?
Mhm.
Those end of
Mhm.
the people, they have to be retrained so that they should understand our value system, they should understand our ethos, they should understand that what is really do's and don'ts, and that is the general behavior. Then they should be really, their skill has to be honed so that they should do a quality job, right?
Right. Hmm.
So basically, then it will provide that what kind of the jobs they are, what kind of the, and then so maintenance, then training of the maintenance people. So it means whenever you are talking of a dimension, the training will always come in the place, right?
Mhm.
Because then we have to train the people, and the people to be not that kind of the trainer. It's nothing like academic training. It is hardcore maintenance training.
Okay.
The maintenance training would be again having the two components. One component is the behavior, ethos, value system component. Because our people will be behaving differently. And
Mhm.
they must understand that startup will be getting a payment not only that for the service, but the service
Mhm.
multiplied by a factor. That factor would be calculated how nice you are, how nicely you interacted with them, कैसे समझाया आपने, how you have done the quality job. So somebody will work out
Mhm.
those attributes which will be gauged. So if you are in job of 1,000 rupees, and if your multiplication factor comes to be 0.7, so instead
Mhm.
of 1,000 rupees, you will get only
Mhm.
700 rupees. It means a startup would be immediately losing 300 rupees.
Mhm.
So we have to make it sure that everybody should be in position to get a rating or rating close to 1,
Okay.
right? And the moment we are say getting, because every year back you will be talking to each individual. So startup would also be talking through the app only. As we are
Right.
talking to 130 crore people, every startup would be talking through the various apps. And it will be our responsibility to design those apps for the startup also.
Okay.
So that startup should focus on the core object work only. They need not to really worried about the circumferential or non-core issues. Those issues could be taken care of by this our mission. Whether this point is clear?
Yes, sir.
So now, say one body would be how to enlist the people, those who are having resources, right? Because what is your game?
Due to some technical issues, we had to pause. So basically,
One thing I would like to really stress here that this portal as well as this module is very important, especially keeping Corona in mind. When people are really afraid that what could be the magnitude of unemployment which it is going to lead. People are really afraid of there might be mass retrenchment. So a lot many people might lose their job. In such scenario, everybody would be looking toward this kind of the initiative which is capable of providing job to almost everybody. Hence, we have to be very methodological. Our thinking that we would be providing the job and services by creating n number of startups. So these startups would be for the different areas. Say one area we were discussing, say Honors Club, right? So when you talk of the Honors Club, it means there has to be one startup whose job will be to take the people in confidence and whatever they are resources they are owning, those resources will come to this startup, right? For to be used, and a kind of a revenue should flow to the person who is owner of these resources. So these resources could be, say, if we talk of the personal resources, maybe car, right? Some people might be having, say, bigger vehicles also. Somebody might be having even buses also. Somebody might be having even trucks also, right? Now, talk of the farmers. Farmers may be having n number of equipments, n number of machineries, because nowadays even farming is becoming quite equipment and machinery intensive. So what kind of the devices may be available with the farmers? Tractors, they are having trolleys, they are having JCBs, they are having harvesting machines, and similarly n number of. So we can break it. Those could be. Then we can think of, say, the people, those who are working for roads. So road is requiring a specialized machinery. So now we can identify who are the person, those who are having these specialized machinery. Now go to the real estate. So in real estate also, now people need different kind of advanced machineries, mixers, cranes, and a number of others, right? Even now we are having machinery whereby we can drill a hole, and if we are putting, say, iron rod, we can put a chemical, and the joint between this iron rod through the chemical with the sealing, it may be as strong or rather more strong when we weld that iron rod with some other iron piece. So those kind of things are available, and now those kind of the things should come to this kind of startup. Now we have to decide that one startup should handle a number of things, or we can have a specialized startup for each segment. Then we have to think that we are talking about the whole India. So how the startup would be spread and catering for the different geographical locations. So with this, we are closing this meeting.